Howdy everybody. Today I like to do the second update on my Lego city. You can see it's changed a lot, but really want to see. I've got the fire station over there. I've got a little house in the corner there. You can't really see it very well. That's not permanent over there. Titan's Tower, but last update I didn't show the interior of this. Oh. Yeah, that's going to be difficult. I guess we lost the bottom interiors, but you can't really very see. There'll be a mock showcase on that, hopefully. Yeah. But what I really wanted to show you is this. We have got the train. This is my first time testing it. So, you ready? I want to put it a bit lower. Yes, and it's working. We've got a train going around the city. This is awesome. It's a bit janky, I will admit. Oh god, this wheel's off. I don't know if you can see that, but when it comes round. Look. There, the wheel's just hanging off. That's why it's janky. I should probably stop it. But it's just so satisfying to watch. Yeah. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye.